The Tutoring Center at Oakland University is available Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. for any of your appointment needs. To schedule an appointment with a tutor, log on to oakland.edu/tutoring. Scroll down on the page. You'll see the text that says online tutoring is available. You can then click Find a Tutor. That'll direct you to the Tutoring Scheduler. Once the tutoring schedule opens up on your computer, you can then select the subject you want to be tutored in. You can select the specific course. You can select the specific date that you want the tutor to be available, or you can actually select the tutor that you want to be tutored by. So once you make your selections, the scheduler will populate with that information. You can go through and select the course and the name of the tutor, and when you're ready, you can, on the right hand side of the screen, select Schedule Appointment. It'll then prompt you to log into your oakland.edu account. Once that opens up, you'll see the availability of that tutor. You can select the time slot that works best for you. So I'll select 3 to 4 on Wednesday. You'll notice that your name automatically populates for you. And then you can confirm the date and the time for which you've selected to be tutored. And then you can click Save. You can click Save. Once you do that, you should get a tutoring email from tutoring@oakland.edu confirming the name of the tutor and the subjects they tutor, and then your name, as well as the date and the time. You need to confirm this tutoring appointment by selecting yes in the email, or on your Google Calendar, you'll also see a grayed out schedule block. You can click that and select yes on the bottom of that. Either way you do it, so I'll select yes. Once you do that, you notice it fills in the color. Now all you have to do is, during your tutoring appointment, log onto your computer, your Google Calendar, or your Gmail account, and join with the Google Meet link by just selecting this link right here, or you can join by phone. So either way you do it, whichever one is more available to you, it'll open the window, and then this is the Google Meet window. You can choose to turn your camera on or off, or your microphone on or off. Once you're ready and you've made those selections, you hit the Join Now button. Once you join now, you'll notice that I'm in the room now, and then the tutor will join you. You can see the participants by clicking this top icon that says People. You'll notice that the tutor will be present in here when the time is right. There's also a chat feature, so if you don't feel comfortable on the microphone, you can ask questions through the chat feature on Google Meet. You can also, on the bottom here, choose again to turn your camera on or off, or your microphone on or off. You can choose to turn on captions if you want to see the transcription of the session. If I turn on captions, then Google will automatically type out the words that are being said on either your microphone or the tutor's microphone. And if you want to show the tutor a specific question you have, you can actually present your screen or your desktop. So if you select Present Now, you can select a specific window or your entire screen. So those are the main features of Google Meet. Once the session is over, you can click the End Call button here, and it'll prompt you that you left the meeting. You can either rejoin if you did it on accident, or just return to the home screen. And that's how you schedule an appointment with the Tutoring Center at Oakland University and the features of Google Meet.